all the risk one take come here. They call me some of una clap, some of una not clap. Now Benin I from come. Now God save me today. I will never book a flight from Benin to anywhere. Rather, I'll first go Lagos. Aeroplane when we enter, I will not know say the pilot na first bus driver. Now so the guy they drive roughly, they pass other aeroplane for road. As they go, now another aeroplane when they come from Abuja, now him wind down, tell our pilot say calm down, Air Force dey front, hope say your paper complete. Now I can't complain, the country don't tire me. Last week now I buy DSTV for hold up. I reach out my DSTV, they advertise Go TV. Fear Igbo people. I say I go return out to the guy where I sell for hold up. I reach there, not they sell DSTV again, not they sell power bank. And don't know how the guy take convince me or Rainbow power bank. I buy 2. I put them for pocket. Before I reach out, see don't clean. Wait till I see now no power bank. God, now why they tell people get money? You know it be poverty, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm a poor man, you're a rich man. Listen to me, let me educate you, sir. You get a person who poor rich, you can't get peace of mind. As this guy will tell you, you know. Things now they bother you again. You know, say if they talk say that they rob for outside now, rich men go enter their motor, they run, they go. Something they to lose. Poor man lost it, and I ain't made them come in, they kill everybody. It happened to one of my guys now. Hungry, beat and now say one key himself. Now he put poison for water. Small bread we get, now he's not drink the poison, not there. He be let you say na bread and tea. No good don't chop they die. You poison fried rice, you die. Poison jollof, you die. You don't poison garri as a poor man. You be let you say na salt. But if there's one ever advantage of poverty, I'll tell you, I'm poor. For my area, robbers come our compound now. Start to rob all the room one after the other. Me all day my room, I know they fear. Not they say God they with me, nothing they the room. As robbers enter my room, kidnapper look me, I look him. He look the room, he look me. With compassion in his eyes. Some food stuff when they don't see for other people, now they draw small for myself, but I don't try.